Welcome to this quick guide on how to disable the password manager icon on Google Chrome for PC, especially after the latest update. If you're looking to streamline your browsing experience and reduce those pesky password prompts, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your Chrome browser. This is where all the magic begins. Make sure you have the latest version of Chrome installed to follow along smoothly. Next, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You will see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. These dots represent the menu. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. Once the menu is open, scroll down until you see Settings. Click on it to access various options for customizing your Chrome experience. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Appearance on the left sidebar. Click on it, and then find Customize your toolbar within that section. This is where you can make changes to what appears in your toolbar. Finally, you'll want to locate the setting for the password manager. Look for Disable Password Manager or a similar option, and toggle it off. This action will remove the password manager icon from your toolbar and stop those prompts from appearing when you log into websites. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, opening Chrome, accessing settings through the menu, navigating to Appearance, and disabling the password manager, you can enjoy a cleaner browsing experience without interruptions from password prompts. If you ever decide to re-enable this feature, just follow the same steps and toggle it back on. Thank you for joining me today. Enjoy your browsing without those annoying password reminders.